Oh, I hammered on that one.
Oh, it happened. Oh no!
I never say messengers.
All right, what's up, guys? We're here at Brunswick HQ.
And we grabbed 3 bowling balls that have no labels on them. We have no clue what they are.
And our challenge is race to 10 strikes.
Who's gonna win?
Me.
I made that.
Come on, 6 pin.
6 to 10. I think I threw the least amount of shots in between takes, so this is bullcrap. They said this was a right-hander ball for you.
They did say this was a right-hander ball. I don't know what that means because this ball is made for me. It's not. It's really shiny. Oh, come on. Oh, what hit that? Is that a 5 head pin over the top? Kev, it's 1-1-0.
Down early.
Kevin,
Hi.
what ball do you think that is?
They said they're gonna tell us at the end.
Yeah.
I won't know until I get 8 strikes in a row.
Okay. 8 baggers.
I was worried.
1.
I'm just trying.
I made surface changes to my ball before we even threw it because it was shiny. Oh, that's tough. That's a tough break, dude. Hey, good shot though. That's all that matters. You have 1 strike.
Yeah, but
I'm just as hype as you are.
that looks like a 6 pin.
I might send 1,000 messengers. This is a mess. Some balls, you guys have balls that are just messenger balls? I do.
Definitely not.
Classic. Mine's the messenger ball.
I literally never have messages.
I don't send messengers either. I use this.
I'm not saying that I send a lot of messengers. I'm just saying I have a couple balls that I always send them with.
That's literally saying that you send messengers.
If you cut the highlight tape from this week, I only sent like 15.
Dude, I threw a couple and I posted one on Instagram today. So I guess I
So check out Kevin's Instagram.
Please. Oh, I hammered on that one.
Oh, it happened. Oh no!
I never say messengers.
I never sent him that connect, dude. Oh, so dirty.
And it didn't. Don't worry. Only filming at 30.
Oh, he hammered on it. 5.
You want
Good shot.
a chance to make it for a strike?
Okay.
If it. Oh, okay. Are we giving him the opportunity to make it for a strike?
That's fair. Yeah, that's
How about we do that for the whole group?
Only on something crazy.
Yeah.
So I can throw in my 8 pin that I just left?
No.
I can throw in my 8 pin.
Something crazy.
Set me up an 8 pin. I'm not gonna leave anything crazy, big.
Next shot, he big force.
Not even close.
Oh, that was
Almost close.
that was really
And it
close.
would have counted. Early lead. 2-0.
2-0.
Well,
2-1-1.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like,
You too?
I have 1. I just missed the Mr. 8 pin. You knew that though. You're just being a jerk.
I literally forget I have a thing.
That's.
It's trying to send a messenger every single show.
That's pretty good.
How did I 8 pin on the last one? Because I hammered on it.
That one was a little more forward, but
Shut up. You don't know anything about it. You don't know nothing about anything.
well, I just got 5. What do you do after 5?
Don't clobber on it at the bottom.
Move 5 left. Why? We just had good strikes. Come on, 6 pin.
I'm not gonna 6 pin, I might 7 pin. I'm gonna 6 pin.
He's gonna clobber on this 8 pin like I did.
I tried to clobber on the last one and I didn't even. Oh!
Let's go!
That was in the gutter. Some doo-doo. That was in the gutter. That was in the gutter. And then a hook back and struck.
Right-hander balls.
Oh yeah. So that's why it's a right-hander ball, because they can throw it everywhere.
Exactly.
God.
Big time.
What did you say? It doesn't take talent to be a righty?
Yeah, it doesn't.
None.
Oh man, I always have free hooks no matter where I go. Wait. How many strikes do I have?
One. You have two. I only have 4.
I'm looking for a double here. Dude, what is life? You know, why do we do this? Light mixer, stuff 8, light mixer, stuff 8. What do I do?
Oh, ball's heading too early. You need to move right.
Freaking mystery ball.
I gotta move left.
Flat 10. That's a good shot. That's just a good bowling shot.
Thanks, dude.
How many strikes you got? 3?
Being on the right side, we can throw wherever we want.
We knew that. Don't worry.
And with right-hander bowling balls. Apparently.
Anything right-handed related is just easier.
Uh-oh. Oh. That was exactly where I wanted it.
No, it was not.
7 right of the
I
last
literally
one.
moved left. Okay, well, the last one was 7 left of where I wanted it to be.
Packy
So you
is.
have a 14 board range.
Yeah.
There's a wall to the right of wherever they're looking at always. It's fine.
Pretty good.
Okay, if I would have, I don't know. Yeah, single baggers, unibaggers, unibaggers.
I'm going home.
What do you got? 3 strikes? 4 strikes?
We got plenty of time. I got 3.
I think you got 3. I got 4.
I just need like one of those ones where he just kind of misses it at the bottom.
Who?
Packy, definitely not you.
He did the last 2 times ago when he struck.
Well, the good one, when he throws a good one, it'll get payback.
Uh-oh.
That's my hit.
The Wally hit.
The 4, 5, 7 fall into each other.
Are you ever gonna throw a good one? Or you're just gonna just do whatever.
That's a good one.
Oh, come on.
Yes! I told you it's going to be a quick video. Quick video.
I'm 6 for 6. You're 4 for 6. Kev's 3 for 6. Yeah. He's going every other. He's going to strike 6-8. Or you went 6-8 strike,
if I
8-pin strike, 8-pin strike.
So he should 8-pin.
He should 8-pin.
If I 8-pin here, I'm withdrawing.
If he 8-pins here, he's just
As a
filming.
left-hander. Oh my God, I'm an 8-pin. Oh, I thought. All right, Nick, dial in. We need to put some pressure on Packy.
Great shot.
Just standing for the left and the left. It's great.
You breathe in or out on your third step? I hold my breath. I hold my breath every time. From step
I'm
one,
glad.
I go,
I'm glad I'm not alone on that, because at the line I'm like.
At the line, I do hold my breath. Oh no! Got their ball flush. We don't know.
Dude, what? He's
That was
literally.
right.
I picked the magic ball. Here's the man that knows all of our bowling balls. He knows what we're throwing. He's hiding the information. Till the end of the video.
When we got here, a lot of people here that work for Brunswick and said that one of us would be upset with the ball that we have.
They
I
all
wonder who that is.
they all picked me.
Is it?
They literally
Nah,
said that
reverse
I,
psychology. They wanted to make us.
they
feel
literally
good.
said that I would be upset with the ball that I have.
Nah.
Which, I mean, it hasn't really hit the pocket. It's just high flush.
It just hasn't missed. Kevin, looking for a third backer.
He's dialed in now.
Hey, don't call a comeback. I've said this before. Ah.
That's right. Oh, the 4, 5, 7. You said that was your hit.
I know, there's 4 pins in the deck. Maybe.
I've never seen a better ball reaction in my whole life than Packy hands right now. Would never say not. How many strikes do you have? 8?
I'm 8 for 8.
I knew that you haven't missed. You have
You're
to
5
throw
for
in
8.
the 4, 8.
You're 5 for 8.
I have
5.
6. I have 5?
You're
Yeah.
that's in the air.
Big 4, big 4.
Yeah!
Now you found my ball
I was
reaction.
literally, yes. This is the wrong spot.
Laughing at you.
on,
Yes,
Nick.
sir.
I'm trying, man.
We're like a team now or something.
Big shot here.
Actually, I don't even have to finish out the back.
You almost 9 in the last one.
I did almost 9 pin. This one probably will 9 pin. I hate you.
What?
Crack myself. I probably will.
That one hooked early. Just went forward.
And then back again down lane. Right.
Is that 10?
It just does.
That's
No, it's
9.
9.
9 for 9. I'm on a streak on the channel, I'm telling you.
Take the chamois.
I'm on a streak on the channel, boys. I'm just saying.
Oh.
That's how. Oh, you get to shoot
You
it though.
gotta shoot it. Be closer. Oh shit.
All I know is everything that's gone wrong for us has gone wrong for us. Like,
All I know is this ball hit the subscribe button.
Jesus, dude.
Join the channel and watch me whoop these guys again in the spare channel.
Got him!
Gosh, that sucks.
He dropped his ball in the approach in my swing.
Literally counts. This is a grudge match. Hey, let's go, baby. We back in this.
I just
Let's
put
go.
tape in my ball, but it fell off my hand.
Oh, what?
I'm just checked out mentally, you know? It's just one of those days.
Oh, not today, baby. Oh, baby.
Ketchup.
Yeah. If you know, you know.
It's a win, right?
No.
I made a hard spare.
No.
Oh, hard spare.
And now I'm on Team Nick. I do have 500 pads. I could just start shimwrecking the left side of the lane and let you make the comeback. I won't.
I know his ball.
That's right, shoot.
How many shots you said?
Don't call it a comeback!
I won't.
I don't even know what I have. 7?
Yeah, you 7. Nick has 8. Strike here for 9. That would make us tied.
Do I get a rebuttal or do we get to win it?
Get the rebuttal.
Yeah.
This is so rigged. I moved off of the messenger 9 pin. And I 9 pin harder.
I'm gonna throw it slower.
Because you're mystery sanded ball.
379.
I don't need to messenger the 8 pin because the 5 hit is maybe not a big one too. I don't know. Either way, thank you guys for watching this video and the beatdown.
I think this was just not that fun for me, but thanks for watching anyways. Nick, we'll get him on
Wait,
the
wait,
snare
wait,
challenge because
what?
that's where the talent happens.
We gotta find out what the bowling balls are.
Oh yeah!
Bill.
Hey, Bill!
Bill, what are the bowling balls?
What are the bowling balls?
So your bowling ball is a raw
Packy?
hammer.
No!
Nick's is an outer limits, and yours
called
is
it.
a quantum.
Mine is the quantum. All right.
Alright.
I'm never drilling a quantum.
I gotta drill up a raw hammer, I guess. But thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget, click that subscribe button. Follow along for more fun videos like this, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.